People's Liberation Army, Air Force. Thunder cracks over the world stage as China emerges, rapidly shifting from an aspiring player to a technological titan in the skies. The People's Liberation Army Air Force isn't just growing, it's redefining air power for the 21st century. The Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter, China's crown jewel, isn't just sleek, it threads silently across the horizon, blending advanced radar-evading design with cutting-edge avionics geared for both speed and tactical versatility. But the J-20 is only the spearhead. Behind it, more than 3,000 combat-ready aircraft stand at attention, ranging from agile J-10s to heavy bombers, all meticulously maintained and updated with domestic upgrades. China's ambitions break gravity itself, investing billions in drone swarms that can fly autonomously on coordinated missions, outnumbering and overwhelming adversaries in minutes. Hypersonic missiles that travel several times the speed of sound add another layer, allowing China to strike before a rival even blinks. The Air Force's reach is further bolstered by space-powered surveillance and precision-guided systems, making threats more than just theoretical. Training and doctrine won't be left behind. Pilots undergo rigorous simulations and joint exercises that rival any top-tier air academy in the world. And with formidable anti-access and area denial networks covering its coasts, China has solidified a protective bubble that keeps rivals guessing. Each new maneuver, every technological stride signals a powerful message. The skies of 2025 are no longer the exclusive domain of older superpowers. When it comes to daring innovation, relentless modernization, and an ever-expanding vision, China's Air Force has made itself impossible to ignore.